So after 2 full days of action in the pandemic edition of Boys and Girls Championship, we don't hear about no catastrophe. We don't feel the earth a sink. It doesn't seem like the world is coming to an end. What we're actually seeing are some Jamaican youngsters who have worked hard despite all the challenges, getting an opportunity to participate and compete and express themselves in a space where they have not been able to for over a year. This kind of outlet is just as important as the classroom element of education and is less risky in terms of the pandemic. And you all realize, say champs just barely get to keep. It's the president, Mr. Keith Wellington, and his team had to sweat and suffer to get the go-ahead to keep champs. And look how wonderful it's been so far. Big and serious, Champs 2021 is looking even better than expected. Credit to the resilience of the young athletes, the coaches, and the schools for not allowing COVID-19 to strangle their quest for excellence. And speaking of excellence, big up the television crew for providing great champs coverage. And where you can get that champs coverage? Where? Tell me where. Only on TVJ.